Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been like a year since I posted my last DIY video. Yeah, I don't know, with everyone at home right now, I know you guys are cleaning out your closets. I cleaned out my closet. It's not too hard. I made probably like 3 of these out of some old maxi dresses that I will never wear again. So why not repurpose it into something that you will wear? I filmed that whole like sewing part of the video probably about 6 months ago, and I'm just now getting the time to get it up. I'm so sorry. I hope you guys enjoy it. Fuck it, wear it at home, wear it out to the grocery store. It's super cute, super comfy. Wear it to chill. I hope to see you guys in my next videos. Thank you guys for watching. Bye. See you there. Okay, so this is the before of this dress. So I got this dress from Zara. It actually shrank on me. So what we're gonna need are a pair of biker shorts. You can see here that I'm just trying to fold it, a tape measure, some pins, and some scissors. So with your dress inside out, I'm gonna just begin to cut out an outline of the biker shorts, as you can see here. Just sort of similar to what we did in the other DIY video. You can trace it if you want. I did keep the biker shorts closer to the bottom of the dress just so I didn't have to hem the bottom of the romper once the shorts part was done. So that's a cool little tip, just to make the whole sewing process go by faster. So after you're done cutting the other side, you're literally going to flip the shorts and begin cutting and doing the same thing that you did on the other side on this side. So once you do get closer to the top, I suggest to just cut all the way straight up. Once both sides have been cut out, you could just go ahead at the top of the shorts and cut straight across. So we're going to set that part aside and start working on the top portion of our romper. So taking your top of choice, I'm using a tube top because I want a tube top romper, but you can use a tank top, spaghetti strap top, whatever you may want. I'm just measuring out the width, how long to make it. So the key here is to leave at least as much room as you can towards the midriff part of your body. So now taking your elastic, we're going to go ahead and measure the width of it just so we know how much fabric to leave on to create that little elastic pocket. And also in the meantime, measure out your midriff along your waist. So the main point to remember here is to leave enough space at the midriff. Don't cut that any shorter even if you think you do have extra fabric. So just follow the shape of your guide top, I call it, and begin to cut. So when I did measure out this dress on me to make the romper, I did notice the width of the top fit me perfectly, so I am not cutting along the sides, but please feel free to do so just so that it matches the width of your guide top like I mentioned before. So once that's all done, we're going to be taking our elastic and measuring the width of it just so we know how much to fold over to create a little pocket. Remember to do this on both sides of the fabric. So just pin it down and then we're ready to sew. So you can see here I'm just taking my guide top, making sure that the width matches perfectly, and I did also measure out my body, and the length of this top matches exactly to how much I need to make the romper. So now that the top is all pinned up, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing to the shorts. Pin it all around where we cut so we can go ahead and sew everything together. So now that everything is all pinned up, we're going to go ahead and sew along the pins. If you did cut on the side of your top, do that now. Also remember to leave a tiny slit at the top to weave the elastic through. So now that everything is sewn, we're going to go ahead and set our top aside and finish off the shorts. So I'm just going to pause here real quick. This is what we did in my other DIY video. Right here, I go more in depth in what we're about to do. So taking the top and bottom piece, our hands are right on top of each other. We're going to be making a left and a right leg. So pulling them apart to the left and right. You can see here that where we did sew does become the middle seam. So with our hands on top of each other, we pull them out to the side. And now where we sewed becomes the middle seam. So once that is all done, you can see here that you have 2 pant legs, and we're just going to go ahead and sew right in the middle to finish off the shorts. So to finish off the top, I just attached a clothespin to the end of my elastic, and I'm just going to go ahead and weave that all the way around. So once you reach the end, I'm just going to go ahead and stretch it out just so there's enough elastic at the top. So once that's all done, I'm going to go ahead and sew the elastic together, creating one whole loop, and then go ahead and close up that elastic pocket. We're almost done. So last but not least, what we're going to do next is take the top layer, basically either the front or the back of your romper, and we're going to be attaching the shorts and the top together. So you can see here, taking the bottom of the top and the top of the shorts and just combining it like that, kind of like a sandwich, pinching them together. I'm just going to go ahead and pin that. So you're going to go ahead and pin that all the way around, making sure that you're doing one layer at a time. So basically what I mean is make sure that when you are pinning like this, to not pin the bottom layer of your romper. So you're going to be pinning this all the way around on both sides. So now that the two pieces are pinned together, we're just going to go ahead and fold along where the pins are and go ahead and sew all along the pins on both sides. So once that's all done, we're going to go ahead and flip our romper inside out and we are all set. So I'm just going in right here with my iron along where I put the elastic just to press it down, you know, make it look all perfect. You could totally skip this step, but it does help make everything look more put together. So here's the finished product. Yay! Here's a little before and after. You can see a huge difference clearly. Super cute, super comfy. You can wear it at home. You can wear it out. So like, comment, share, and subscribe down below. You won't be disappointed. I'll see you guys in my next video.